Hi, my name is Lydia Abbott. I'm the CEO of Workflow Magic, and today I'm going to walk you through a brand new feature with Monday.com and Subitems. Did you know you can now create subitems directly from a form in Monday.com? This game-changing feature makes data entry smoother, more structured, and more organized than ever. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. First, let's add a form to our board. When we go into the form setting, we can either add subitems manually or we can use pre-existing subitem block. Step 2. Let's customize our subitems in the form. Now that we have our subitem block, we can now customize it by renaming fields. For an example, let's change status to role, hiding unnecessary columns, adjusting what appears on the form to keep it clean and relevant. Let's say we just want to add the title and status, and we can easily make the adjustments. Step 3, let's preview how this works. I'll enter my name, Lydia, and I'll add a role under subitems. The first role is done. Second role, working on it. Then we hit submit, and let's check the board. Voila, the subitems are automatically added. This feature is a must-have for teams managing projects, inventory, structured workflows, and more. Try it today and experience the power of subitems in Monday.com forms. Let us know how you use this feature in the comments.